Using a spell checker on the computer. To use the spell checker on your computer, you will need to make sure to choose the language you're about to use. You can see that language at the bottom of the screen or by choosing the language to proofread. To do that, follow the next steps. On the menu, click Review, then click Language. Click on Set Proofing Language, then choose Welsh or English before clicking OK. After you've selected the language, the computer will check while you write. A red line will appear under a word that needs to be checked for spelling and grammar mistakes. To do that, press Review, then press Spelling and Grammar. After pressing Spelling and Grammar, a box will appear on the right. The mistake will appear in red, and there are options for you to pick the right spelling or form. By clicking the word you wish to use, it will correct the document for you. You will need to keep correcting all the errors. After you've checked all the spelling, your document will be ready to send. Another option is to right-click on the underlined word and the different options will appear. Using a spell checker. Cysill. Cysill is a free Welsh spelling and grammar checker that is part of Cysgliad.com. To use it, open the app online. It should look like this picture. Copy and paste what you want to check into the box on Cysill. Cysill will then identify the spelling and grammar mistakes and offer the correct options. Derbyn must be clicked to change the error to the correct word. Grammarly is a free grammar and spelling checker. To use it, open the online app. It should look like this picture. To use Grammarly, you will need to copy and paste your work or type into the box on the app. Red lines will appear below the errors that need to be corrected. The app will offer corrections and you will need to press Accept to accept those suggestions. After the app has finished correcting the work, you will be able to copy and paste it into a document or somewhere else.